Hello everyone. This is in continuation with the various numerical problems what we are doing on compound interest. The next one is question number 8. Find the compound interest on rupees 40,000 at 10% per annum for 1 year when the interest is payable quarterly. So we are supposed to find the compound interest. Okay. And what is given? The initial capital or the principal is given as 40,000. Rate of interest is given as 10% per annum or 0.1 per annum, but it is going to be paid on quarterly basis. So I should convert this to quarterly basis. 0.1 by 4, which becomes 0.025 per quarter. That will be our I. This is for 1 year. So N is 1 year. But in 1 year, there are 4 quarters. So N value will be considering it as 4. We are supposed to find compound interest. So first we will find out the amount, final amount, C times 1 plus I to the power of M, which is 40,000 times 1 plus 0.025 to the power of 4. 1 plus 0.025 to the power of 4 and then multiply it by 40,000. We get 44,152.52. Therefore, compound interest, we know it is the final amount minus the initial capital, which is 44,152.52 minus 40,000. We get rupees 4,152.52. That will be the compound interest. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.